YouTube, what's going on? So, got a call from Mama Todd earlier today, and she was like, my truck won't start. I'm like, all right, well, what is it doing? Press the button, nothing, press the button, nothing. So I was thinking, I was at work. So I was like, well, maybe it's because the power's on the hill. Try and put the gear selector in park. Maybe it's in between like that park and reverse, but not exactly in park. Didn't work. So she Ubered to work, and I said I'll look at it when I get home. Came and took a look at it when I got home from work, and let's see. This is what it did. Made a little click noise and nothing.
4-piece nuggets also.
So what I ended up doing was going through the settings, oil change, fuel, where you at? Where are you? Almost. Boom! Battery voltage. You need at least, I think, 12 volts for it to start. And that's what I'm getting ready to do now. Getting ready to take Mama Todd's battery out of the Jeep and go up to AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts and put the new one in. See what tools I need. Took my mini tube box out. May need a big one. Yep. What size? 7/16. My daddy used to be like, oh, I can look at that and tell what size it is. I ain't there yet. Take this negative off. I'm gonna whip the camera around. Y'all probably don't want to look at me. Like so much stuff on here to hold this battery on. I had to take this tab off, take the negative cable off. What I'm probably gonna end up doing is putting this thing in camera in fast mode so I can figure out what in the world is going on with this. So let's see if this takes this top part off. Yep, that popped up. What in the world? All this for this battery. I don't know what kind of clamp this is, but certainly it has to come off so I can get the battery by itself. Okay, I'm going to stick this in a little quick mode because it's going to take a second. So it is out on the ground. The battery removal process took a lot. I will actually talk through it as we replace and put the new one in. But in the meantime, we're about to put this battery inside of the LTZ and go get a new one. All right, so batteries installed, hood closed, and let's see. Will it work? Mama Tar! It works. Now she can clean my tubes up.